That's gross. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog a nasty shower drain. Stay tuned. Gross. Alright, got a clogged up gutter. Alright, got a clogged up shower. Show you what you might not realize how you... Okay, so I brought the camera out to edit this video with you guys, and I'm so disappointed in myself. I missed the money shot. Apparently when I knelt down, I hit the record button and shut it off. I'm sorry guys, but I can still show you how to do it. Alright, so you're going to have something like this. This might be full of water. I did this full of water, and water gushed out and pulled out that big nasty hairball that you saw at the very beginning of the video, and I missed it and I'm so mad at myself. So anyways, you might have a round one of these, so there'll be one screw in the middle. There might be two screws on each side. Some of these don't even have a screw. If they don't have a screw, you just stick your screwdriver in here and you pull it like this and it pops right out. Mine happens to have a screw. This screw is missing, so we'll just do one. We'll take this one screw out. The whole grate picks up. Now when I picked this up, that whole hairball was connected to the bottom of this. And it came right out, and all the water went rushing out. You can stick your hand down the drain. The accumulation is going to be right here or right here, most likely if you have long hair. So that's really all there is to it, and I'm going to continue in and cut to the rest of my video. Again, I'm sorry I missed the money shot. It was going to be awesome. But regardless, that's how you do it. Put the screws back in. That's it. Alright, thanks guys. It's really that easy. If you want to save yourself $100, $200 plumber call to unclog your bathroom drain, that's the way to do it. But I'd understand if you don't want to touch that crap for $100. Alright, I'm Jay. This is my to-do list. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe.